Hi guys, and welcome to another episode of Tutorial Tuesday. In this episode, I'm going to take you into my computer and we're going to take a look at the University of Texas at Austin's Perry Castaneda's library collection of historical maps. Guys, this is one of the largest collection of historical mapping websites I've ever seen. It's probably the largest compilation of these websites there is. I've seen the Harvard one. I actually use the Harvard one because I have a buddy who works at Harvard. Same as my buddy here in Texas. We're all actually a group of friends. They call themselves archaeologists, but we're all treasure hunters, really, guys. You know, they preserve the history, and I like to find gold. Actually, we all like to save and find and report on history. It's what we do. I just do the extreme. I'm the guy with the metal detector and huevos to do some of the crazy stuff that they want done. Anyways, guys, so let's go into my computer right now and let's take a look at the Perry Castaneda Library map collection right now. Hi guys, this is the University of Texas at Austin's Perry Castaneda Library map collection. It is a compilation of huge amount of historical map websites. Guys, I'm going to put the link in this video's description below so you will have complete access to it. Just click on that link. Here's what I'm asking you to do. I'm asking you to browse this library's website. And what you need to do is find the links that are important to you. What's important to me is these first three right here. That David Rumsey collection is a must-have. Just click on it and save it, guys. You can thumb through that later. This is years and years and years worth of historical data. I mean, from all over the world. We're talking about world history. We're talking about Africa, the Americas, Canada, Mexico, South America, United States of America. Almost every single state is represented. We got Asia historical maps. We got Australia historical maps. We got European historical maps, guys. This is one of the largest database collection of map websites that I know of. It even outdoes the Harvard one, which we don't have access to. But we don't need it because this one's even better. But this is temporary for us. We won't have this access for much longer. I do believe by semester start, the fall semester start, we will not have access to this website. So guys, dig through here. Find the links that are important to you and save them. Okay? There's so many of them, I don't even know where to begin with you. I will show you what I've been working on, though. I'll go back up to the top. Okay. Yeah, you saw a couple of links I've clicked on, all right? But right here, this historical maps from our collection, meaning the Perry Castaneda Library collection. All right, Perry Castaneda Library is the main library of the University of Texas at Austin. Okay, guys. And right here, I was using the pre-1945 topographic maps. And of course, I chose California because that's where I'm at. And the area that I was looking at was near Hesperia. So we're going to the 1898 Hesperia one. And basically all that is a PDF map. It's a copy of a map, right? This is important to me. I can see exactly the intersection of where I want to go metal detect. What I can do now is I can find that intersection. Okay. I will tell you that some of the most famous trails, the Spanish Trail and the Mormon Trail, intersected at points. And those intersecting points were also great places for them to camp. So you have to remember, guys, they would travel so many miles a day and then they had to take up camp, right? I like to find those locations where they took up camp. So when you have intersecting trailheads, okay, those are great places to metal detect. Matter of fact, I'm going to be going out one of these days in this very same spot that we're looking at today. And if any of you like to join me, comment below that, hey, Jim, I'd like to go with you. I will be going on a Friday, and I will only be going out there for about 4 to 6 hours on a scouting mission. So it's not like it's an all-day hunt. I'm only scouting. And when I find a good location, then I go and really hunt the place out, if you know what I mean. So guys, let me get back out of here. It's just so much. You guys see what I mean? It's overwhelming, the large amount of data that this one website can bring. Okay. So for this tutorial, that's all I'm going to show you guys today. It's up to you to take a look at this. It's up to you to save. Now that David Rumsey collection, this one right here, make sure you save that. Okay. Some of those maps are fantastic maps. I love some of the old train route maps and some of the old marketing maps are huge. If you think about history, guys, we want to go where people were. And a lot of times in history, where people were, they're not there now. We need to find those locations where they're not there now and they left their stuff. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed this. Now let's get into the Would You Dig It? So guys, let's check out the Would You Dig It winner from last week. There wasn't one. Guys, here's the thing. I was doing a test on you, and today I'm going to do another test. So there was no winner last week, so you know what that means. It means carryover. So I think we were going for a $50 Amazon gift card last week, and now we're going for a $75 Amazon gift card, guys. And here's the thing. I buried the same exact item, but now, think about it. Let's change the perspective. Different location. Now your brain is going to think, my answer was wrong when it was in the grass. But I will tell you, these are commonly found. I find them at the beach quite a bit. I have found them at a park. But I will tell you right now that you know your answer was wrong last week. When you listen to this tone in the sand, think about it. Before you even listen to it, think about it. The change of perspective. Okay, guys, I know I'm challenging you guys, but I guarantee this week somebody's getting this. Probably a lot of you guys are going to get it. Before you even hear the tone or even go into it, you've already thought about it. He finds them on the beach. Many of you already know, don't you? Let's check out the Would You Dig It? So guys, since there was no correct answer last week's Would You Dig It, I decided to take the same item and bury it right here. Now think about it. Does it immediately change your perspective of the same thing, but now in the sand? Okay. I'm gonna go 90 degrees here. I'm in all metal mode and beach too. All right, so it might sound a little bit different. And I'm gonna move this down to Park 1 because I had it in Park 1 last time. Now, you know none of your answers were correct. And now you see it in the sand. All right? In your mind, it's in the sand. Does it change your perspective? All right, so for a now $75 Amazon gift card, what do you think it is? Let's go through this one more time. In Park 1, I'll go 90 degrees. Okay, now I'm gonna move this to beach 1. It changes your perspective now, huh? Okay, comment below on what you think it is, guys, for a $75 Amazon gift card. So guys, would you dig it? I dug it. I planted it there. Anyways, guys, I know we're all digging that. I know we're all digging it. So for a $75 Amazon gift card, comment below on what you think it is. All right? And we will select the winner next week. And I promise you, you guys are going to get this answer correct this week. Or at least several of you will get it right this week. Because just changing the perspective is all you needed to do. I bet half of you get this right off the get-go. So guys, I got it back. Well, it's a brand new one. On Friday, to expedite the process of the warranty, which wasn't really expedited at all, sorry, that's my dog. She's thirsty. And I'm not going to interrupt her, and I'm not going to stop recording because otherwise it'd be happening all day. But anyways, the 15-inch coil came from my buddy who works for Coden. Coden is the parent company for Minelab. He just had them FedEx me one ASAP. And I'm still going through the warranty department with Minelab right now. I haven't even sent my coil back, so I'm going to put it in the box that one just came in. And I'll get it shipped out tomorrow and see how long that process takes and give you guys an update of what you could expect. I don't expect anyone to have what I had, you know, one FedEx to you like that. Unless you got good connections with Coden like I do, and they're not really good connections, guys. Let's just say I've done a lot of work for this company, Coden, and they said anytime you need a favor, give us a call. Now, most of these guys are familiar with Minelab. They understand the coding behind Minelab. But they're not part of Minelab. I mean, they're the parent company of Minelab, but these guys don't directly work with them. So they just pick up a few phones and say, hey, I need a favor, and boom, 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 things are done, right? That's how it's really done. And I'll let you know on the warranty. So I'm going to end up with 2 of these 15-inch coils, which is going to be fantastic. So, because I know they're going to break. But here's the deal, guys. Here's the deal. They have 3-year warranties. They're 3 years. It states right on the website. So regardless of what little piece of paper you guys might have, I would go to their website today and take a screenshot of their 3-year warranty that they have for their Minelab branded search coils. Just in case they decide to shrink that down to like a 90-day warranty, because honestly, I do feel this is a defect, and I do feel this is happening quite a bit with them. However, I do understand it's just injected molded plastic and can easily be fixed by them. And it could be just a quick little 30-cent redesign, really just to stiffen those ears up. Just a little thicker. And it's just, to me, it's a defect. I don't like that. Also, I was serious about anybody who wants to go with me. The area that I'm talking about, I will remain secretive. I will email anyone who wants to go. the direct information to where you can meet me at and park and the whole bit, and we can walk. It is going to be a desert area. There are plenty of snakes and stuff like that, but we are walking on trails. I'm going with or without anybody. I do it all the time anyways. I chase down history. That's what I do. That's what I like to do. A lot of times I don't even take my metal detector with me, or I'll stick the 6-inch coil on and backpack it in. I don't carry a shovel at all when I go out to the desert areas. I do take a pick, like I'm gold mining, even though I'm looking for coins. And occasionally I can look for gold, especially if it's a good rich area. And I have found little tiny gold nuggets in some of those areas, but you know, you're going to dig a lot of lead first, and so my back isn't going to allow all that to happen, you know what I mean? So I like to scout for areas, and when I do find a successful area, then I like to clean out all the coins from that area or any other relics that we can find. So if you're up and you're interested, comment below. Hey Jim, I'm game. Here's the deal, I have Fridays off. My wife and I have the weekends to ourselves, but I do have Fridays off. So we can plan it on a Friday. It's got to be good enough weather to go, and it's got to be before the summer because it's going to be hot. So it's going to be relatively quick here pretty soon that I go. It's not going to be this weekend because supposedly it's going to rain on Wednesday, and I can't have certain areas too wet. Okay. So without giving up too much of that location, but I did show you on a map in a generalized area near Hesperia is where it's going to be. So there are some nasty rattlesnakes in that area. So if you're afraid of snakes, it may not be up for you, okay? Alright. Guys, so if you see a little tiny gemstone anywhere in any of my videos in the month of March, make sure you comment below a timestamp. So your name will go into a drawing. Okay, I'm going to take the compilation of everybody's name, and whoever's got all the answers absolutely right are going to be going into the drawing. Whoever wins this drawing, okay, gets to choose the beach I metal detect at, which will be done on a Friday, and anybody can join me on that Friday that wants to go. Okay, and everything I dig for you. Everything I dig for you, except for cell phones. That's a little tiny disclosure. No cell phones, remember that. So, and a $25 Amazon gift card. So it's a win-win-win-win situation for you, all right? You get to choose the beach I go to. You want me to go to Gold Beach? I'll drive down to Gold Beach. I'll dig for you. Whatever I find belongs to you. It doesn't matter if it's diamond, if it's gold. You want to send some friends down to watch or videotape as well? I'm game for that, guys. It doesn't matter to me. Alright? So whatever I find belongs to you, and that's the truth, okay? And that $25 Amazon gift card just in case I don't find anything, because that's always a possibility. Always is. You know, do you know what happens to the videos that I make that I don't find anything? They get deleted. Alright guys, if you like my videos, please click like. If you'd like to see more, consider subscribing, ringing this bell, and receive all the notifications every time I release a new video. And check out either one of these videos. I like this one here. Maybe you could select that one as the beach.